Mudra, I was looking for a very unique person, and Sheebah told me, well, I have somebody that is really, really unique. Nangamba, and he connected me to Mudra. Bampita Jonita Zachariah said, aka Jojo. Over 100 songs. Nkuba pop and Afro pop.
The viral Ganza Dream City, one. Tisawo n'abali ng'onagamba kwetu kiri. Vibe badde amanyi Uganda ngamanyi mangi. Energy badde mungi nga ne bo badde we basoye nozuukuka. Just omubiri nga masanyalaze everywhere you go.
Buli kimu kibadde kirungi bambi. It's a lot of fun. Good vibes. It's the song is amazing. Kibadde kyamaanyi nnyo. Kyamaanyi. Banange. 12 years. Mbadde wendi when I winning an award in 2000, the music competition in my country, as the first black woman to even do that. In 2018, it escalated everywhere. And then all the Ugandans knew it, everyone across different continents knew that. Nenkomao, Collabo, The Myth. And then I went back home to kind of like work with different artists at home. I come home in 2019 for the High People Awards, for an award there. Nenzirayo. Sheebah and me are very good friends. Kati Oluyimba tubadde tulunoonya nze ne Sheebah okumala ebbanga era bwe lwatuuka ne ngamba Sheebah ndufunye lwe luno. Mudra, I was looking for a very unique person, and Sheebah told me, well, I have somebody that is really, really unique. Nangamba, and he connected me to Mudra, and I saw everything that he does. Absolutely amazing. The vibe is amazing. Such a talent, and but in a very interesting way. Kubanga, everybody can do a lot of things, but the vibe that Mudra has is so different. It's so cool.
So cool. I think I told you about ebyensi. Ekalina omugambe nno lwaki ng'abaddabu akola Abalala watali eno kati wanene we tugamba nnakomyewo. Otherwise, kwali kati tujja okudda mu tuwa abalamu because we are friends. Mukulu yasinga omumanyi.
Ekyo sijja kyogera naye ng'egenda kufuluma very soon. Very soon, yeah. Ndiwo for 14 days and then I'm coming back in September. Singles and Let It Burn. I have You, a song called You. I have Party After Party. Actually, Bebe Cool is also another friend of mine. Actually, he was apart from Eddie Kenzo, when I won that award, Bebe Cool was the first one to contact me. He's a good friend. I think I will do something in the future with him.